When you feel overwhelmed by life and different circumstances, go into nature, search for a nice tree. Trees are always there. They don't want to have anything. They are just there in their presence. And then you can take a rest and just feel the connection. One of my best friends, the tree.